If you're seeing an error loading file in SketchUp 2026, but the program itself still opens, that's different from a full bug-spat crash. In other words, SketchUp is running, but something in the file, the install, or an extension is blocking it from opening correctly. In this video, I'll show you the most common causes and the fastest fixes so you can get back to work without guessing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips and fixes. Let's start with the most common issue, an unexpected file format or version error. If SketchUp tells you that the file was created in a newer version, or it just says the file format is unexpected, that usually means the file header is damaged or SketchUp is struggling to read it normally. A very useful workaround is the import trick. Instead of double-clicking the file to open it directly, first launch SketchUp 2026 and start with a blank template. Once you're inside a clean session, go to File, then Import, and select your file from there. This can sometimes force SketchUp to handle the file differently and bypass the corrupted global settings that were preventing it from opening the normal way. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is your SketchUp installation itself. Sometimes the issue is not the file at all, but an incomplete or damaged installation. To fix that, close SketchUp completely, then run the installer as an administrator. When the setup window appears, choose Repair if that option is available. This can restore missing or broken program files and clear up loading problems without requiring a full reinstall. Now, if the error happens when SketchUp starts up, and especially if it appears right after launch, there's a good chance a plugin or extension is causing the problem. In many cases, a faulty Ruby extension is the reason. To check this, go to your user folder and open the SketchUp plugins directory. The path usually looks like users, your username, app data, roaming, SketchUp, your version number, SketchUp, then plugins. Once you're there, look for recently added plugins or extensions and move them out of the folder temporarily. Then relaunch SketchUp and see if the error is gone. If SketchUp opens normally after removing one of them, you've found the conflict. Another helpful step is to reinstall any specific extensions that were installed recently or that you know are tied to the problem. Sometimes an extension becomes corrupted, outdated, or incompatible with the version of SketchUp you're using. In that case, uninstall it first, then download a fresh copy from the official source and install it again. That often fixes loading issues caused by bad extension files. You should also check where the file is stored. If you're trying to open a SketchUp file directly from a network drive, shared folder, cloud storage location, or synced folder, that can create file access issues. SketchUp may struggle to read the file properly if the connection is unstable or if the file is still syncing in the background. To avoid that, copy the file to your local desktop or documents folder first, then open it from there. This simple step fixes more loading errors than most people realize. So, to quickly recap, if you get an error loading file in SketchUp 2026, first try the import trick from a blank template. If that fails, repair the installation. If the problem happens on startup, check for faulty plugins and remove recently added extensions. Then reinstall any problematic add-ons and make sure your file is stored locally instead of on a network or cloud path. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software fixes, tutorial guides, and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.